How to delete your comments on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete your comments on Instagram, including a way to remove all your comments at once as well. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, what you can do is just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the settings section, you simply have to scroll down and tap on your activity. And now here in this section, simply scroll down and there under interaction, you simply have to tap on comments. And here you'll see all the comments that you have made on Instagram post. So there you can just tap on any comments that you want to remove. And here, once you're inside it, you can just select your comment, and after that you can just tap on delete to remove your comments. And here, with that, to tell you, Instagram does not have a native delete all comments feature, but here you can use this comments option for multiple times as well. And here you can even tap on select option and select it one by one by checking the box. And once you're done checking all the boxes, then here you can simply tap on delete option to delete all comments on Instagram at once. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.